Let me ask you something. If you have a pension, do you know why the 401k, 403b, or 457b was created in the first place? Because the truth might surprise you. These plans weren't designed to replace pensions. They were created to fill the gap, the part your pension doesn't cover. See, most pensions only replace about 55–60% of your working income. That means the day you retire, you're instantly taking about a 40% pay cut. The 401k and 403b were supposed to supplement that gap, to make up the difference so you could retire comfortably. But over time, companies realized, if we stop offering pensions altogether and just give people this 401k thing instead, we save money and make it their problem. Now people think a 401k is their retirement, when it was never meant to be. And if you don't have a pension, make sure you're at least getting every penny of your employer's match. That's free money, and you'd be crazy to leave it on the table. But that's just step one. In the next video, I'll show you exactly where to put anything beyond that match, so you can start closing that retirement gap the right way.